Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. As you can see, I had a problem. So yesterday, I broke the top link here off my post hole digger. As you can see, it just snapped right off there. It looks like it's been welded before. And anyway, so yeah, it just broke right off there. I had it on the doits here, and got down here at the bottom, went to lift up, and snap! And anyway, so yeah, yesterday I went around looking on Craigslist, and I was lucky enough to find this Miller Roughneck, actually just about 10 minutes away, just, a couple of county roads over for sale. So I picked it up yesterday. It's a Roughneck 2E right there. As you can see, it's a 200 amp continuous duty, 225 amp output welder here. It's got a Kohler, not a Kohler, it's got a Tecumseh engine. It's a little older than I would have liked. I'd kind of had my eyes open for like a Lincoln pipeliner, like a red face. I've kind of had my eyes open for one of those for a long time, but I haven't ever found any that are reasonably priced or relatively close. So anyway, this just happened to be for sale yesterday because I needed to finish my trellising here. I've got this trellising to get in here, and I didn't really want to have to dig this damn thing out with a shovel and cart it over to somebody to weld it back together. So I got a really good deal on this. Fortunately, it worked out pretty well, and it works pretty well here. I've been running the grinder off of it this morning. I just went ahead and ground that down. It's 3.5 kilowatt output electric, in addition to the I don't know what the kVA out for the welder is, but sadly it's an AC welder. I prefer a straight DC machine, but I mean, for the price I paid for this, I could always use it just for fixing this and then turn around and resell it and I think make some money on it. But it does need a new battery, which is why I have it hooked up to the doits there just to be able to start it. But anyway, I'll let it start it up here and hear this sucker run. It's kind of a weird thing to start. You got a run stop button back here. Oh, maybe. Oh. It's kind of loud. It needs a muffler, but anyway, there you go. It runs like a top. I definitely cannot complain about that. It definitely, starts right up, no problem. The carburetor needs to be adjusted on it. It's kind of got a wandering, you can kind of hear it load up a little bit whenever it is idling. It has two settings. It has the high weld, which it runs wide open, and then the generator runs at idle, which is kind of nice. It runs at a low, I don't know, what is it? 1950 there is the generator output, so we can run on its low setting there and just run a grinder without any trouble, and shop lights and all, so pretty nice. Anyway, I'm going to set my old camera up on the tripod and take some video as I'm fixing this. It's kind of windy out, so kind of a crappy day for stick welding, but needs to be fixed.